This is a... What's this what? Let's go see here. What? Phabong Muang Chiang Mai, Thailand. This one's cool. I always liked this one. This has so many like decoration and things outside. It's really cool. Like, look at this tree, guys. It's crazy. Look. That tree is just... Imagine how many spirits are living in that tree. Hi, Strux. Hello, username. Mosberg, thank you so much for the 14 months. Good morning, AF. We are the awkwards, the awkwards, the awkwards. We are the awkwards family. We're still the awkwards, the awkwards, the awkwards. We're still the awkwards family. Thank you, Mosberg. No, that's not the tree that Buddha rested. Buddha rested in a tree in India somewhere. A giver is always beloved. Selfishness is the father of all evil. It's a wisdom tree. A wise whispering tree. Oh, look. Just, TV, no big deal. If you train your mind well, happiness will surely come. So your superpower is eating. That's awesome. I wish that was my superpower, but it really isn't. I try and fail all the time, to be fair. The monument of King Nareswar the Great. Whoa. Nareswar the Great, everybody. Oh. I skipped my zodiac there. Please hit 3 times for happiness, health, and peaceful. Do we want happiness, health, and peaceful? Johnny, yeah, good. Sorry, did I answer your message earlier, but just in my head? My foot is okay, look. It's nice and wrapped. I'm doing good. Gonna have a nice short stream last day in Chiang Mai. I'm glad you're there, Johnny. Alright. So hit 3 times. One's for happiness, one's for health, one's for peace. Ready? 2, 3. Oh, that's dumb. I should have... I didn't notice. Let's try it again. 2, 3. Whoa, you see the vibration? Whoa, it's reverberating. Do you hear the reverberation? You were here with Jay yesterday? Oh, you mean in the market? No. No. Oh, because there was that big gong in that one too. No, this is other part of town. Other side.